Welcome to Taha Kids, where the fun never ends. Come and play with all your friends.
Red balloon goes up so high, floating gently in the sky. Blue balloon waves hello, dancing where the soft winds blow. Yellow balloon shines so bright, like the sun with golden light. Green balloon hops with glee, bouncing near a happy tree. Pink balloon says come and play, orange joins and flies away. Purple twirls round and round, never ever touching ground. Silver balloon glows at night, shimmering in soft moonlight. Gold balloon sparkles bright, twinkling like stars inside. Black balloon rises up so high, drifting slowly through the sky. White balloon shines soft and bright, glowing gently in the light.